Let's come back to grading. Leaders succeed and fail with a C. I read a lot and have started to notice a pattern. Everything in leadership learning seems to come back to a C grade, or at least the letter C. One of my most favourite books at the moment is You Win in the Locker Room First by John Gordon and Mike Smith. They focus on 7 C's and then add a few more as keys and critical direction to building winning teams and truly successful people. Tracy Izzard's The Buzz is one I'm opening up now, and again, she is all over the letter C. It's just one of those really interesting noticings. Simply everyone leading in the leadership world at the moment is talking about culture. Another C. So let me list them out for you. What are these C's? Collaborate, create, culture, that's learning cultures, clarity, commit, communicate, contagious, positively contagious, consistent, credible, connect, care, coach, character, competence, capacity, confidence, community, challenge. All really positive C's, and I can't believe there are so many of them. And then you've got a few more negatively or questionable driven C's. Corrosion, that fear, unprofessional behaviour, feedback. Feedback is seen as conflict, those sorts of things. Conflict, but then conflict can be positive if it's put in the right culture. Complacency, confusion, controversy, complicate. I always thought a C is a mediocre grade, one that you appreciate when you've struggled to understand a course and you can breathe that sigh of relief because you've just passed, and one that is pretty average when I just need to pass and I haven't put in the effort, the C's get degrees. In leadership, perhaps C is the letter we need to pay the most attention to. I've got a challenge for you with each of these words. What do each of these words mean to your leadership? Can you define them? Take on the challenge and take some action with this. Don't just sit and read and listen to this wee list of, incidental insight of a list of C's. Do this. Take this as a task. Write each of these words down or type them onto your screen. Write your definition of what each of those looks like in your work, either as a leader or from the leadership you work with. Record your evidence as to where you've got this in place. Rate that word with a traffic light scale. Is it a red, a yellow, or a green? Which of these words are a genuine reality, are authentic in your work? Once you've coloured your words, colour the words and print them out. Cut them up or move them around on your screen. Put all the greens together, the oranges together, and the reds. Step back and take a look. This is a really easy task in reflection that shows you where you need to go next in your leadership journey. And if you are really brave, ask your team to help you colour code them. Get a rounded picture. I dare you, post your results. I'm going to try it myself. It's one of those tasks that looks simple, but ends up being pretty powerful and really hard hitting and really hard thinking. I just found a couple more C's for you. Contemplate, consider, and then complete. See you out there.